to my YouTube channel. Today we're standing in my bedroom, or my and my boyfriend's bedroom, and today I'm going to do a clean your wardrobe video, or as we would say on my company Våga Styling, a detox, wardrobe detox. And yes, I'm speaking English once again because I got requests to do so. From now on, I think that I will be making these kind of videos, like more importance than I will be speaking English, so everybody can understand that. Because for me, I look at my YouTube channel as something I want to grow global, and to do so, the most important thing is that they are in English. But my vlogs will still be in Swedish with English subtitles. So once again, my English, it's not the best, so please be kind to me. Don't judge too much, because of course I will be learning as well. So yeah. Well, let's start with this video. Wardrobe detox, or clean your wardrobe. I hope that you all do that at least twice every year, but best if you do it 4 times. So today I will be showing you how I clean my wardrobe and how I think it's best to do so you get the best results, and so you feel like you have a good eye over your wardrobe and know what to wear, so you don't stand there every morning like, what am I going to wear? I have nothing to wear, even though your wardrobe is full. So first I'm just gonna show my outfit. Of course, now today when we are cleaning, I am not that dressed up. I'm just wearing a black turtleneck, jeans and shoes, actually, even though I'm inside, because I bought these shoes a couple of days ago and yesterday I got them, but they are a bit hard, so just wanted to, you know, make them softer, and best way to do that is to wear them a couple of hours at your own place or at home. So yeah, let's do this video. Tip number 1. Start with thinking about your style. What colors do you want? And what kind of style? Are you a classic person? Do you want it to be feminine? Do you want it to be super trendy, classic, whatever? Decide what you want your wardrobe to look like, or your style to look like. Then it's easier when you start going through your wardrobe. Then you will feel like when you take out a piece and you think about it, okay, save or give away, then it's easier to decide. If you already have thought about what kind of style you want, then it's easier to see, aha, okay, well, this is not the color that I want in my wardrobe at the moment, so then throw it, no, not give it away. Second thing, always go through the whole wardrobe, like take it all out and start from scratch. My wardrobe is not that messy, so I'm gonna just take out. But if your wardrobe is a total mess, then you should take everything out and start from scratch. So I'm gonna show you my wardrobe. We are now in my bedroom. My boyfriend, he has his clothes in the other room. So yeah, but I have to admit, my wardrobe has never been this messy ever before. But I figured that's maybe a good thing now when I'm doing this. So my next tip is to clean your wardrobe at least twice every year and before the season change. If you have time, do it even more often, but at least 2 times every year. And you should always clean your wardrobe before a season starts. So like when winter turns to summer, or when summer turns to winter. And then you should remove, like, okay, today, since it's in the middle of the winter, I'm not gonna take in all of my summer clothes. But if I find something that's too summery right now, I will put that in that box over there. Do you see it there, the blue one? There I keep all the clothes that's is not suitable right now, like summer clothes, because in Finland it's like -10 right now, so you don't want a small little top. And I will just start going through, put them nice back in the wardrobe and check what do I want to throw away or not throw away. You should always think about, yes, you want to keep it, maybe give away, and if they are really messed up, broken or something, throw away. So those 4 categories you should have when you're cleaning your wardrobe. Let's start with this part. Here I keep all my super warm turtleneck, and then I'm gonna think about, okay, are they in the right colors? Do they still fit me? Are they my kind of style? And so on. For now, I want colors like beige, white, black, grey. Here I feel like this red turtleneck, I'm not going to use it, I think, anymore this winter. So this I will put in that blue box over there. So now I'm gonna throw it on my bed. And the other ones, they look really nice now, so I'm gonna put them back. So next up we have my skirts. I'm a skirt person, so I do love skirts. But let's see. Most of them I still like, so they go back. And now, as you can see, only white, beige, black, grey color. And these 2, well, I still want them, but like the other ones, they're going into the blue box. So here I'm gonna show you. Well, here I have 2 boxes with black or dark tops, white tops, some jewelry that I'm using right now at the moment. Well, yeah, what is it? T-shirts, colleges, knits, yeah, turtlenecks, and there's like homeware, underwear, jeans, black jeans, trousers, party tops, and colored and, you know, soft pants, some accessories, and yeah, so on. Like that I'm not gonna touch today because it's like swimwear and bags and stuff. But yeah, let's continue with these. Two pink ones going there. So now this is done, and you see the colors are all correct. And here, this one moved from there to here. That's because I feel like this cannot still, I don't want to use it, you know, among people, but I still feel like I want it as a homeware piece, so that's why I moved it here. It's important to put them with the same colors, like as here I have blue denim together, there's like light colors, black colors, here I have like soft pants and stuff, so that will help you to find when you're searching for something. So, as you can see, a lot of clothes are going from this everyday wardrobe to the box, just to make sure that everything here is things that I like at the moment, that suit like the season and so on. And here you could see that I removed seasonal party clothes are going to the other wardrobe in the office, because there I have my like dresses, party pieces. Here now it's skirts, pants, dresses, like turtleneck dresses and knits and blazers, shirts in different colors. So as you can see, I don't have a lot of clothes, but I try to put them in the right category. And if I have colors, like here I have all the white ones. So yeah, I think that this video is going to be long enough, so I'm going to end this video right now. Here you can see clothes that I'm going to sell or give away. What I'm going to do now is to check my box over there to see if something in that one, if I want it back here in my daily wardrobe. If not, maybe something I want to sell, and then I'm gonna put these down into the box. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And yeah, let's see you in my next video. That probably will be I think it will be a vlog from Tallinn and our influencer trip. So that one will be in Swedish, but with subtitles. Well, have a lovely day and see ya! Bye! Oh, I forgot. I wanted to make a last list of my best detox, wardrobe detox tips. Always take away clothes that you don't like at the moment or are wrong for the season. You can always put them in another wardrobe or in a box. So when you take it back, it will be like shopping in your own wardrobe. So in your like daily wardrobe, you should only have clothes that you love at the moment and you want to wear at the moment, and you should have less than you think, like not much at all. You can have a lot of clothes, but in your daily wardrobe you should have not much, because you want to have a good overview to see what's perfect for today and what will go with this sweater or what will go with these jeans. So yeah, those are my best tips, and as I said, when you check your box, it will be like shopping. So yeah, see ya.